Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to read about very important thing. But before that, let me ask you one question. Have you ever thought why the street light get automatically turned on and off? Yes, this is possible with a device called LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. So today in this video we are going to read about LDR. LDR. LDR is called light dependent resistor. Okay, now we know that the resistors are of two types. One is ohmic resistor, that is linear, and one is non-linear. Linear resistors are those resistors that follows Ohm's law, and non-linear resistors are those resistors which do not follow Ohm's law. So light dependent resistor is the non-ohmic resistor, means non-linear resistor. So its resistance depends on light, as it is saying light dependent resistor. So its resistance depends in light. So these components, how it looks? These components look like this. You will be having, this is the metal contact. These are the two terminals. Here this one is the terminal and this one is the terminal, and you will see that there will be a zigzag line on the surface of the LDR. This is called LDR. This one is LDR. This substrate is insulating substrate. And this stripe, the thin stripe is photoconductive material. Okay, and this thin stripe is the photoconductive material. Coming to the symbol, its symbol looks like this. There is a circle, okay, and here zigzag, and the light is falling on this. This is the symbol of LDR, that is light dependent resistor. Okay, so now the question comes, what is the material required to make this resistor? To material require is, one is cadmium sulfide, that is CDS, and other one is lead sulfide, and the other one is lead sulfide. Lead sulfide we can write PBS. Okay, these are the material that is used to make LDR, that is light emitting diode. So light emitting diode, we will talk what is it. So light emitting diode is we are talking about light dependent resistor. So light dependent resistor is the resistor whose value changes according to the intensity of the light. Okay, so we can say light dependent resistor or LDR is the resistor whose resistance changes according to the intensity of the light. Intensity of the light. Okay, so LDR is the resistor. LDR is the resistor whose resistance changes according to the intensity of the light. Greater is the intensity of the light, the less will be its resistance, means conductivity will be more. How it is happening? Let us try to understand through its working principle and how it's work. So I am going to rub this one. So it's working. Now comes to its working. The working principle of LDR is photoconductivity. LDR works on the principle of photoconductivity. What is photoconductivity? This is the working principle. Underline this. Let us understand this. When the light is falling on the LDR, when the light is falling on the LDR, it will strike the atoms on the surface of the LDR. On the surface of the LDR, it will strike the atom, and those atoms will get energized and they will travel to the conduction band. And we'll find that there will be the more number of carriers. And when there is more number of carriers, means the conductivity will increase. And when the conductivity is increasing, means our resistance is getting less. And when the resistance is less, so more current will flow through the circuit. So this is called photoconductivity. So our LDR works on this principle. For example, if we take one situation. If we are holding one LDR, okay, and we are in the room temperature, in the room light, there is a sufficient ambient normal light, and we are taking the reading. We are taking how much is the resistance of the LDR. Then we'll find that its resistance will be less, nearly about kilo ohm or maybe mega to kilo ohm. And when it is subjected to flashlight, then its resistance will decrease and it will comes near the range of 100. So we'll find, and when it take that LDR to the dark room, or if we are covering the LDR surface with the hand, and then we are measuring its resistance, then we'll find that its resistance suddenly increase due to the less amount of light, due to the less intensity of light getting on the surface of LDR. The value of the resistance will increase, and it will increase to the it will be very high to nearly mega ohm. Okay, so while the intensity of the light is more, the resistance is getting less and the conductivity is getting higher. So this is the working principle of LDR. Let us see what is happening. It is saying that the light intensity, if the light intensity increases, then our if the light intensity increases, means it will strike more atoms, and when it strike more atoms, means that those atoms will try to go from the valence band to the conduction band. And when they are going to the conduction band, means in the conduction band the number of carriers will be increased, and when the numbers of carriers are increasing, means our conductivity is increasing, means our conductivity is increasing. And when that conductivity is increasing, then since we know that conductivity is indirectly proportional to resistance. Means conductivity is increasing, then our resistance will drop. Okay, resistance will drop. So this is the working of LDR. Now let us try to understand how it's work in the automated street light system. Okay, so now let us see in the automated street light system. So we are now talking about automated street light system. So in automated street light system, LDR is installed. It is there in it is LDR plays the very important role in the automated street light system. Here, when the light in the daytime, when the light intensity is more, when the light intensity is more, our LDR will have very less resistance. In that case, it sends the signal to the microcontroller and the light is not turned on in the daylight. And in the while the time passes and the day is getting over, the intensity of the light is getting decreased. And after the dusk, there is when the surrounding start to get little darker, then we find that the value of the LDR is getting higher, means the resistance is getting higher. In that case, it gives signals to the microcontroller, and then after that microcontroller will get the give the output and turn on, give the instruction, and the output will be the light will turn on. So here we can understand there are the three phases. Here one input and the processing unit, and we are getting processing here and output. Okay, in input we have LDR. So what is happening? Its resistance changes. Resistance changes with light. Resistance changes with light. And when it gets dark in the evening, sends sends signal at high resistance. High resistance I am representing with ohm. When there is the high resistance, means the intensity of the light is less and our resistance is more. So it's giving the signal to the processing unit. In processing unit we use microcontroller. Okay. In processing unit we use microcontroller. So microcontroller will process. It will process that the LDR's value is changing and it is increased by certain level. So when it is increased by certain level, so it will send the signal, and our output, in our output we'll find that the light is turned on. It process the value of LDR and compares with the set resistance. And when it is higher than, or when higher than the set resistance, then what happen? It will send the signal. To the switch, and our the switch is turned on, and in this way our street light, automated street light works, and in during the darkness the street light remain on, and the same thing happened. It will be till the morning, and when the dusk in the morning, in the dawn time, when there is increase in the intensity of the light, when it starts to increase the intensity of the light, then again the resistance of the LDR decreases and the conductivity increases. When the conductivity increases and the resistance of the LDR decreases, then it again gives signal to the microcontroller, and then when it is less than the set resistance or standard resistance, then it will again send the signal to the switch to turn it off, and our street light get off during the daytime or in the morning. So I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video with some interesting topic. Till then, bye.